Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is another package from PalaceSkateboards.com. So inside here is one of the P logo cap, and then the second one is a 3P long sleeve shirt, the blue color. I got the size large on that one. Hopefully it's not gonna be too big. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I think there's an invoice in here or something. Oh, so this time I got like two at the Trifer logo sticker. Nice. So I get this. This one is the hat or the cap. There's another invoice. So here are the damage. Okay. Got the O'Neill 6-panel, blue and orange chinelli, and then a 3P long sleeve blue size large. It's $106 for this two item, and then $12 for the shipping. Make sure when you unbox it, you have this initial in case you didn't get your sticker. Because the last time I complained I didn't get a sticker, I guess that's their new policy now. So they know exactly who packaged your items, and then in case they miss a sticker or they try to locate who stole the sticker, they will contact that representative. Oh my goodness, I got more stickers. What? How come this time I got a whole pack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's an odd number. So this one is the 3P long sleeve blue color. Ooh, size large might be too big for me, because some of the palettes, their size run a little bit bigger. Let's go ahead and take this out. So again, I like how they fold their clothing for the long sleeve. As you can see, the sleeves right there sticking out. So I'm gonna make sure how they fold it. Just put it back the way it is. It's a big tissue paper right here. And again, you got your silica gel. At first, when I saw this on the website, it didn't really look that good. But somehow when I tried them on, it looks pretty good, actually. So you got the palettes on the both of the sleeve right here, left and right sleeves. Then this is like a kind of like a 3D effect. There's your palettes, and then a size large. Again, if you want to make sure yours is legit, you want to go to the tag. Again, this is the Palace Skateboards tag. And on the back, you should have the description 3P long sleeve. And this is 100% cotton. All right, so that's that. Let's get into this cap. Pretty happy with how Palace run their business. They put the cap inside the box, which is nice, and also inside a plastic wrap. Look at this nice presentations. I'm not sure if this is what I ordered. I thought I ordered a blue one, but somehow maybe on the website it looks kind of different. Let me see. Somehow on the website it looks like a UCLA color, but when I receive this one, it's not. I gotta check back again what I record and do the comparison. Well, you know the P logo is always going to be hot because they sell out quickly. Wow, look at that! The nice Palace embroidery on here. And here is your adjustable strap with the Palace emboss right there. Got your tag right here, Palace skateboards. Should have the description right there. Yep, there's a description right there. 100% cotton again. Chanel O'Neill 6-panel. Got the Palace label right here, so you know it's legit. It's a brand new couple right there. I'm not gonna remove it so it will stay in shape. And this is what the inside look like. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching, but stay tuned for the on body or wear on or try on video toward the end of this. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace. Alright, YouTube, so I'm gonna try that on for you guys to check that out.